is Kenny. I'm the father of Cadus.
I'm Madeline. I'm the mom of Haley Tan.
My eldest daughter, she's taking Creative Maths PlayFACTO Level 4. And my son is attending the PlayFACTO Level 3 Monthly.
I think she's more confident and comfortable in learning through a group setting.
The moment they walk into class, I can hear the excitement and the energy level in the voices. Like they ask, "How are you today?" Or even just walking in through the doors of the factory, you hear that energy, that positive energy that
She's more confident to work. I mean, that is the most obvious things I see. Yeah, she can complete by herself. Most of the assignments. Yeah, so that is what I could believe.
After the first session, very much. The second time she comes, she's very happy. She runs into the classroom herself to look for a teacher without us having to hold her hand. Right? And that really proves that this works.
maths is no longer just limited to the classroom on a sheet of paper 2D. They now bring it out to into real world scenarios.